We are going to review on I am going to review on anabolic boost product. Let's see how it works and what it offers to the people, what are the ingredients in there, and what are the how to apply this thing to the plus demographic of the age, which people it has to use. So let's start. That is their bottle image. That's the product image. So first growth hormonist agent boost formula created for men 40 plus. So it's 40 plus men's product. So others never try. So it's for near people, they can try, but nearly 40 or 38, 39 people also they can try. So it's not an weight loss product. It's a anti-aging product and also gives your muscle from builds muscle and also gives some strength to your muscle. So what are the ingredients there? There are some amino acids there. They invented some salt and dissolved them into the amino acids. So they created the growthing factor. So it's a anti-aging. They reduce the aging of a men, so they can build muscle. So then GABA is there, also there. So how to apply? So here it mentioned boost total and free testosterone levels in men. It monitors, it controls the testosterone levels. So what are the ingredients there? So 7 amino acids they are there. So in that product they have 7 amino acids they created. They are the amino acids valine, lysine, tyrosine, glutamine, isoleucine, glutamine. Some acids are there. The chemical structure also they have given. So they discovered a salt and they dissolved that salt in that amino acids. So they created a spray. So you have to apply the spray to your mouth. This is the image I am looking for. You have to spray it to the mouth under your tongue. So there are sensitive veins there, so they can easy below your tongue. So they can easily go to the veins and easy go to the blood circulation. So gives blood stream. They enter the bloodstream and start work quickly. Here they mention. So it means the absorptionist technology is good from there. So direct salt you can take, but it will not absorb the body. So they dissolved it and they created a spray. So you have to apply the spray below your tongue. So they go to the bloodstream directly. Maybe they are it's a morning taking product. Maybe empty stomach or early morning hours you have to take this one. So they mentioned some image. Uh, what says it is next bottle boost. This is bottle cost. It is free bottle also there. So claiming factor, confident, stronger muscle, life better. Okay, I am going to say anabolic boost, fast absorption technology. They are saying their ingredients, premier ingredients I have said above. So the sixth bottle is free. You apply you if you order today, or if you ordered a bulk pack 5, you get the sixth bottle absolutely free. So that's the cost. Attention, respect. You will get more respect and a lot of fun and more joy to your life. So you feel energetic throughout the day when you using this. One bottle is there. One bottle cost $47. and bulk bottle 6 5 plus 1 6 $174, and there is another bottle, another option 3 bottles. It's cost $117. So you can choose any of the above. It has a 365 days 100% money back guarantee. This is a great answer. What happened, you can 12th months also you can apply for a refund policy. They have a strict refund policy, 365 days 100% money back guarantee. This is the anabolic boost product. I am looking for a quick the any questions, frequently asked questions. So there are some frequently asked questions. They will give good information there. Sorry. So going to, this is not a weight loss product. Who is anabolic boost for? So it clearly says men 40 plus. So slow go age muscles, slow go aging factor, anti-aging is this one. Plus how do it boosts, how do you use? So it tastes flavorless. It's a flavorless liquid. So you have to spray it into below your tongue, and it grows the hormone sprays. It controls the monitors the hormones of your body. So what previously said and what contains inside there? There are L-dopamine, aminobolic boost. Sorry, glutamine, lysine, valine, same material there. What are the ingredients inside? They created this product. Why it is spray form? Spray form is easy to absorb the body. Why that's why they used this. And also when you can see the results, because anabolic boost is spray that you could under the tongue. The ingredients inside our formula will hit the bloodstream fast, which means they will start going to work and start support a boost anabolic sensitivity right away. So right away from day one you can get results. You will get results. There is a money back. Previously I said 365 days. That's great. Yeah. How long boost be available? I don't know, but present the stock is available. So this is the main. What you have to do is if you are looking for a product that 40 plus, you are in 40 plus years and looking to look like looking for a young, so you can apply for this. You can buy this. So that's it. You can choose any of this, and there is a link at the description. Official of the product link is there, website link. You can so you can search, and you can buy the product through that link. So you will get more discount on this. So 55% is discount is there, and 60% discount is there. How to use, they will get information also. You will get there what are the what are inside, how to use. They will give full information there. So see you in the next next review, product review. So I hope you can understand this review. So give me a like button if you like this my analysis. So check the below link, and if you really want to build muscle at 40 plus years, and if you are a man 40 plus. Thank you very much.